Alright, good afternoon everyone. We've had some rain this morning, which we're not sad about. So the creeks are kind of full right now, so we're going to drive around and see if we can unclog some creeks today. So this is our first one. We've done this one before. I don't know if you can remember, but there's a tree that's turned over right over there. Can't see it.
They're flowing pretty good on the exit.
You did this one last time. That sticks like nope. Come on. There you go. Yeah, that's really going down now.
I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it.
All right, looks good. Let's look at the exit and see what's going on over here. Both flowing really good. All right, Jim, good job. It's flowing really good.
Yep. We'll drop some too.
All right, we're going to move on to the next.
Okay, guys. Once again, we're up on this one. This one's hardly flowing at all, as you'll see from the exit camera I've got set up. This one's hardly flowing at all, so Mom's going to get down there, and as you can see, it's going all the way down there to the bigger creek.
Whoa, that's pretty deep there.
It's deep right there. I'd try to stand on top if I was you.
Let me get right here.
Oh, let me zoom out a little bit. You got zoomed in too far. You never know. One stick may break this thing loose.
I know.
It's got a lot of pressure on it.
Okay, I can get here. There we go.
Oh, it's going through.
Sure is.
Wow, that got loud.
Whoa! Quite a bit of stuff in front of that. Oh, water in the boot. Oh well. Look at all this stuff right here. That way this one can flow better down this ditch too.
Look at that. Yeah, it's not flowing down the ditch at all anymore.
That was it.
See that?
Oh my, look how quick that changed.
That changed so quick.
Wow.
Not even going down the ditch no more.
Ooh.
Whoop.
All right.
Good job, Mom.
That wasn't hard.
It's
so.
amazing what you can do with water pressure.
Yes.
Built
That
up.
makes a huge difference.
Okay. So now it's actually flowing where it's supposed to. All right. Pick up our exit camera. This is a very busy road, so we're having to use our cones today. All right. All right. Over.
All right, we were going down this little road that we were just undid a culvert, and we saw this blockage here. It looks like a tree fell down.
You ready?
The debris here in the.
Let me get the trash out first. Oh, gosh. I'll get that trash in a minute. I'll just try to get it cleared out enough to where water can flow through.
There we go.
Oh, all this trash we gotta pick up.
Good job, Jen. Look at that.
Do that.
It's barely flowing. There's another stick right down there.
Yeah, let me get this stick out.
Grab that cup, Jen.
Well, I'm only have 2 hands. There's another one right down here.
All right, I'm coming. Look at the moss on that tree. Isn't that cool? Look at it going down there now.
There's a rock there, is the reason that happened. Okay,
All
let's
right.
get the trash bag.
Okay.
Pick up the trash and then we'll go to the
Let's
next one.
look at the moss on that tree. I thought it was pretty cool. Here, I'll pick up the trash. But here,
Huh?
a lot of trash back there. Here.
Yeah, it's
Look
actually.
look at the mushrooms on that.
I know, that's cool.
Or not mushrooms, but
Oh, you got it zoomed in for. Alright. Most of what was holding it all up we got back of the truck. Oh wow. Okay, we're gonna pick up the rest of the trash here and we'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, we've got 2 culverts on this one. One of them is blasting water. The other one doesn't really have much of anything coming out of it that I can tell. So we're going to see what's going on here. We've cleared this one before, but there really wasn't much water running through it last time. So, fact is, last time we could barely even tell that this second culvert existed. So we're going to, it's Mom's turn. I did the last one. Take turns. All right, let me get down there with you. I'm good.
I'm gonna clean out in front of this one first
Okay.
before I do that one. These are big rocks right here.
They are huge rocks, I know. Well, remember this culvert was covered up with a huge rock pile last time we were here.
It looks like they've been doing some work. Maybe they cleaned this out recently.
Maybe so.
I want this ditch water to go down in here.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yes, that culvert needs to take care of the ditch water.
Yeah. That's better.
Yeah, that's better.
Gotta put your back into that one.
Gotta have the sound in it.
Yes. It don't count.
Otherwise you don't get the distance you need.
I don't want too much gravel going down here, to be honest with you, but there it goes, whether I like it or not. I don't really think there's anything blocking this one.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that's just a rock. Yeah, that one's fine.
Okay.
I don't think there's any way this water's going to go this way.
No, it's not.
So I'm not going to worry about trying to connect them here.
Okay. Let's go check the exits again. See what that produced. Still raging, but you can definitely tell now. Let me stand over here. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit coming out now. So the second one's taking all the ditch water, and this other one's taking all the stuff that's coming out of the forest. So we're going good. All right, we're gonna move on.
All right, we've been at this one several times, but today, have we ever seen it over like this?
I don't think so.
Personally, I don't think I've ever seen it over, but anyway, obviously it's flowing good right now. But we can see it looks like maybe there's some debris hung up here. So we're going to try to get that out right now.
A lot of this is just stuff stuck in grass. But the culvert, where are we at? I'm standing on top of them. They're right here.
So probably right there.
Oh yeah, there's some pressure on those babies. There it goes. Okay. Here comes somebody. I think a lot of rock is pushed up against too. Okay. Yeah, there's water coming out more than was.
Remember there's a culvert further down?
Yeah.
I don't know if we can find it today, but
Probably covered up by rock already, like it happened last time. Okay.
All right, that's all
Well,
we
that's
can
about
do
all
there,
we can do today. I can't see, but I know we've uncovered the culverts anyway.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's really flowing from up there. All right, now there's no culverts here, even though there's grass. You can tell
that
it
sounds
gets way
loud
up
down
in there
there.
sometimes.
Mom.
You need to show how much those are flowing, and then we'll compare it with this.
There are 4 culverts in them. So Mom's going to try to unclog a little bit. We've been to this one before. Sound like it got louder. We don't have time to set up an exit camera on this one because it's a really busy road. Yeah, you got a whirlpool going, Mom.
Whoa, look at it now, Jen. It's really flowing out now.
Okay.
So here's the other one. Come on. Yeah, it's right there. I can. I think that. Whoa.
It stopped going across the road.
Am I at one?
That third one was blasting pretty darn good. I don't know that
Yeah,
you're
it
going to
should
make
be
any
right
difference
here.
on it. Huh?
Should be right here, I think.
Alright, sorry guys, we keep having to stop because moving around. This
We
road's
got
so
1,
busy.
2.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 whirlpools here. So,
Yeah, I think
and the
they're all
water
good.
was in the road when we started, and it's not running across the road anymore. So, these culverts are blasting now. Yeah. All right.
All right, we're not sure this one's blocked at all, but we're going to check it out. Do you remember if these openings are small or big?
They're big.
Are they?
They're wide. Yeah, it moved, something moved there.
Now we know why, if this much water comes down through here. Is that good? Let me back up, Jen.
Oh, there, I got it.
All right,
Yeah,
that's
they're
it.
wide openings. There it goes right there.
Oh, yeah, I missed it, Jen. I'm sorry.
Right.
Yeah, it's just really flowing through here right now. You can see the side creek over here, well, ditch, I guess. I don't think it's a creek. It's coming down through here. Goes through here. And all right. Oh, she got another stick. Just look upstream and, whoa, fell in a hole. All right. Another one under our belt there. All right, we're going to move on to the next one. This almost looks like a creek in itself, but it's just a ditch, so it comes down here to the creek. One of the culverts has some stuff in front of it, so we're going to get it out real quick.
Yeah, that second one's not putting out anything.
Yeah. No, these culverts look pretty new, Jen.
Check this one first. Yep, that one's good. You'll go see the other side? Ow! Right, watch some of this come out.
Oh, that's much better already.
That's it. Come around now.
It's coming out good now.
Huh. Oh, that's weird. I think it just comes around that corner and it wants to go in it and it just can't.
All right, now we're done
It's a
here.
weird angle for that corner. Yeah, that's it.
This is almost like a creek running down there. Isn't that weird? All right, we're going to move on to the next one.
Smells, yeah, like fish or something. I don't know. All right, guys, there's just a little bit of something right in front of this culvert, and then the exit's got a little bit of something going on as well. We're on this country road that a lot of loggers use it. They do a lot of cutting down here, so it's a rough road. But we thought we'd check it out when it was been raining.
A lot of mud right there.
Got a lot of water coming out of the wood. I believe I hear. Unbelievable. Are you gonna keep doing it?
I'll just get these hands out of the way. Yeah. Keep. I feel like this tree's falling up.
Where's the actual exit at?
Come on now. Oh.
Oh, there it is.
Is it? I don't know.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Yeah. It's like the concrete's actually broken. I'll just clear out a little bit here. Come on now. Brian's got a hold of me. I'm gonna have to, I don't think I can get this because it's part of that tree right there.
Yeah.
Maybe I can pull it to the side a little bit. Oh! Oh yeah, it broke off. Good deal. Look how much faster that's going already.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not going to worry about the rest of it though, because I can't move that whole tree.
God. Unbelievable. Got it?
Yeah. All right, me and Jen have been here before. This is the one that had the beaver blockage that it was so tall we couldn't do anything with it. Well, they've replaced the bridge because remember it had a hole in it. But obviously the beavers are at it again and it's flowing pretty good. Let me look at the exit real quick.
Okay.
Wow. They are both flowing really fast.
Yeah.
Let me get out of the way of them sticks. Maybe it's just doing all it can do. Nope. Their blockage.
I just cleared something out.
I see there's a board right here too. Not a board, but yeah, that.
Beaver chewed on the end of that.
Whoa. Sounds like that helped.
It's concrete all in here.
I'm sorry. Being overcautious. Yeah, look at that whirlpool we got going now.
Yeah, we've got a bunch right here. That's the straightest stick I've ever seen, I think.
Man, that's a massive whirlpool. Wow, look at that. It's huge. Please be careful.
Why'd I lose my whirlpool over here? Right there.
Is that the biggest one we've ever seen? That's huge.
It is big.
Suck your whole body down that one.
Yeah, I can see the leaves down there that are connected to
the
something.
one on the right seems like it's flowing more than the one on the left. I don't understand that. not going over anymore.
Yeah, it's not going over the road anymore. It was when we first got here. It's still close, but did you tell them they replaced this road?
Yes.
Yeah. It needed it. There was a big hole in the middle.
Yeah, there was.
Well, that's a huge whirlpool.
Yeah, it is.
But I don't know if this water's ever going to really drain back enough for us to see it, you know. See the top of the culverts? It's going to take a long time. There's a lot of water back up in there. It's going to take a long time for it to drain. Man, that's a big whirlpool. It'd be like the size of my hand. I got a big hand. Yeesh. That's huge.
Now I'm going to grab the muddy side. Oh my goodness. Should have put my gloves on. I didn't know it was going to take that. Here, let me have the... Okay. Look at the berries hanging from this. What kind of berries?
Well, I was trying to take the easy way out. Mama said no. We got to get it done.
Get it in.
Well, now it's flowing out both ways. Flowing out over here. And then it's flowing out over here now. I know there's a lot of roots in there.
That's good enough. At least
That'll flow.
the road, at least.
Yeah, it'll get this pile out of the road anyway.
Oh, there it goes. That was the perfect spot right there.
Okay. Now it's flowing multiple ways. That way and over there. Okay.
Good job, Jim.
Yeah.